How to redirect your website to any page or external domain? Let's learn how to redirect a website. Click Redirects. First, we have to select the type of the redirect, keeping this notification written under the Add Redirect heading in mind. Select the type of redirect. Open this drop-down list. Here we can either select one domain or select all public domains to redirect all of the domains controlled by the cPanel account. Let's select all public domains. Now enter the rest of the URL from which you wish to redirect visitors. For example, if you wish to redirect http://example.com/test to another URL, enter test in this text box. Now test directory on all the public domains will be redirected. In the Redirects to input box, enter the URL where you want the visitors to be redirected to. You should use any one of the three HTTP, HTTPS, or FTP protocols. Next option, www.redirection, is disabled as we have chosen to redirect the All Public Domains option earlier. If you choose to redirect a single domain, the www.redirection will be enabled. I explained to you all the three options one by one. Only redirect with www.option redirects visitors who use the www. Prefix while typing the URL. The second option, redirect with or without www. Redirects all the users. The third option, do not redirect www. Doesn't redirect users who use the www. Prefix. I hope it is clear to you. Now click the Add button. That's it. We have successfully redirected the test on all public domains to a different URL. Thank you for watching.